Hello everyone, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some decorating tips and ideas for your entryway table. And I'm also going to share with you how I styled a couple of the items from my last haul. If you have an outlet in your entryway, I always like adding a lamp. It helps to give a nice glow when you enter a home. And the next item that you would want to add, or I like to add, is a candle. I always like to add a candle on my entryway table. It's just a more inviting look when someone walks into your home. And this, if you recall, this is the little basket that I showed in the haul from the other day. And so next I'm going to start here with a little sign. I like this sign. It says, "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." Joshua 24:15. For some people, this may be enough, and that's totally fine. But I'm going to add one of the baskets that I got from Goodwill the other day. I'm going to add this one. And then I'm going to add a few little things inside of it just to give it a little of my personality. Okay, so you guys know how I like my beads, so I'm going to add these to the bottom. And I'm going to just let a little bit hang over the side. And then I'm going to add a little greenery, because without the greenery, it gets a little flat. And so this is just going to add a little life and a little interest. And then I need a little height, because I have height on this side, so I'm going to need a little height over here. So I'm adding this candlestick. Now I could add a taller one, but I'm going to work with this one first, and then I may trade it out for a taller one. And I'm adding a candle. Try and pick up some of the textures and the natural colors. Now, because I have the mercury glass on this side of the table, I want to repeat it again, and so I'm going to bring it in with a little bird. I'm just going to set it here. And what I did, because of this wire basket, I tried to put a little bit of the little putty that I have that sticks to the bottom, and it'll stick to the bottom of the basket once I get it in place. That way the little bird won't move around. Even if the basket is bumped, the bird will still stay in place. And this is pretty much how I like it. I think I have enough things here. If you follow the design rule of threes, I have 3, and then I have 3, or this whole basket can be used as one unit. So it's 1 and 3, and you want to keep your highs and lows. So the lamp is high, and then we come down low, and we come back up high. And we talked about that before, but I just wanted to go over that again in case you missed it, because we do have new family members, and I just want to keep reminding you guys of the design rules, so when you design your spaces, that you remember that the highs and lows are very important, different textures, and you know, repeating materials, like repeating the mercury glass, repeating the gray, you know, some of the lighter tones, and so, you know, when you pull it all together, it looks very well put together. Okay guys, here's an idea if you like things a little simpler. Here is the lamp that I showed in my haul. Okay guys, so here's one last look, and I added a burning candle to this one because sometimes it's nice to enter a home with a nice fragrance. And so if you're not sure about how to add your accessories to the table, just keep in mind the odd numbers and keep it simple if you're not sure how to set up your entry table. As you see here, I just have 3 items, and I have 2 together and then 1, but they still add up to 3. So keep it simple, remember the odd numbers and your highs and your lows. If you see the high lamp, you come back down and then back up again. So I hope this was helpful to someone. And if you are visiting for the first time and you like what you saw here today, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.